the Internet Income Ninja with another one. Guys, you know the deal. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. Like, comment, and share for more awesome leads, more awesome ways to earn money online. We don't want you to miss anything, so we highly suggest that you smash that notification bell. That way when leads come out or different ways of earning money online come out, you'll be the first to know. Jobs go really quickly. Ways of earning money don't rarely stay secrets for very long, and if you can get a leg up or a shoe in or be at the head of the line, you have an advantage over somebody else. It's not that you don't want them to be successful as well, but you need to make sure that you are successful. Okay, so today's video, this video is actually a work from home job lead, and as we go into this job lead or these job leads, we are going to see where they're from. Now this employer is actually in the health niche. They are looking for people to work from home, but there are also a bunch of other jobs available that are full-time, but not necessarily a remote job. You have to go into office. So here's an example. They want a training instructional design manager or e-learning developer, which is work from home, full-time, a corporate type position, and they want them immediately. Okay, and that's why I say to you that you need to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because if they want someone immediately, they're not going to wait very long. There are many positions that people want to fill and they'll wait a week or two to see who applies. No, these people want someone immediately. But whether they want someone immediately or next week, you want to make sure that your resume or CV are sent in and that you don't miss the opportunity to apply. Alright guys, here's a director of human resources. So if you're in HR, there's a full-time job for you in Arizona. This company is actually looking for people from the US. Let me make that clear. Recruiting and community manager, they want someone in person, Princeton, Illinois. Okay. Now we're going to just look at the customer care representative position, just because that's relatively easy to start out with, and a lot of companies look at these positions as entry level, and you can consider the rest of those listed here as more advanced, if you want to call it that. But for a customer care position, most people will be able to apply and get accepted to these positions. So we'll look at this role for today. Now the name of the company is actually called Broadpath, and they've been around for a while. And by the way, when you apply for a job and you actually get the job, Broadpath provides the equipment you need. So you will be getting a laptop and any other attachments that you might need to get the job done. Okay, so let's review this one real quick, and you can hurry and apply to this, and all the best. Now for a customer care representative, they want someone who will grow with a company that is passionate about helping you maximize your full potential. Become a part of transforming customer and client experience through the utilization of our innovative work from home technology. At Broadpath, we believe in assuming the highest intention for others. Our employees are empowered through their voices, which helps us to continue shaping the emerging future, bringing innovation and flexibility to the work from home industry. Through our tailored training programs, backed by our hands-on approach, we ensure that you are set up to be successful on your first day. As part of our dynamic team, you will provide world-class customer service to our members via inbound calls. You will assist them with questions surrounding their coverage, updating relevant account information, or helping resolve any inquiries they may have. Training completion bonus. Upon successful completion of onboarding paperwork, corporate compliance training, and attendance of your paid training, you will receive our $100 training completion bonus. And you could just apply if that sounds good enough for you, or if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and read. So your responsibilities will be Meet or exceed established performance goals in the areas of efficiency, call quality, customer satisfaction, first call resolution adherence, and first call resolution, adherence, and attendance. They want you to work a highly regimented schedule with a full day of assisting customers on the phone. Properly escalate telephone calls to escalated departments, process online call sheets and required documentation. And lastly, they want you to ensure compliance with Broadpath, client, and any job specific regulations in place for their team. Let me say that again. Ensure compliance with Broadpath, client, and any job specific regulations in place for their team and role. Now, your basic qualification should be a minimum of 2 years of call center experience, some experience in money or financial customer service capacity, that is credit advisor, cashier, etc. They want you to maintain daily productivity and time management requirements. Show excellent customer service skills as indicated by quality assurance scores and other measures. Strong customer service skills including diplomacy and the art of diffusing tense situations. Excellent attendance and strict adherence to daily schedules is required in order to be successful in the job, and a high school diploma or GED is preferred. Now, preferred qualifications: previous call center experience and previous successful work at home experience. Now they're saying, note, some of our call center positions require a specialized level of experience interacting with a particular type of customer, such as a health insurance plan member or a financial services customer, as examples. This specialized experience will be listed in the qualifications when it's required for an available position. And you can look at their customer care, my bad. The following are the benefits you'll experience when you work with Broadpath. So training completion bonus, so you'll get the $100 reward once you've done your onboarding paperwork, corporate compliance training, attendance, you will receive the $100 training completion bonus. Now you'll have access to Broadpath's limited medical plan starting first of the month after 60 days of employment. So once you've been there for 2 months, then you'll have access to their medical plan, and after 1 year of full-time employment, you will receive access to our major medical plan and 401k. So it's going to be limited for the first year. You will receive it after 6 days of employment, and then after a year, you'll receive their full coverage package, which is their major medical plan and a 401k. Now you'll get a Beehive kit, which includes a web camera that allows you to join our connected culture. Employee referral bonus program is uncapped, so as many people as you can refer, you will receive bonuses for that, as well as weekly pay, as opposed to monthly or fortnightly, as many institutions will provide. So guys, that's it. Looks like a great team to join if you're interested in the health space, or if honestly you just want to make ends meet, or honestly you want to just work for this place. It looks like a really good place to work, a really good job. And I don't think I mentioned salary, but this salary will be $15 per hour based on Glassdoor's recommendation. So you're looking at $15 per hour plus $100 bonus when you finish your onboarding and training, plus referral bonuses, plus a limited health plan, and it becomes unlimited. You have full access after a year of full-time employment. So guys, that's it. If you'd rather be earning more than $15 per hour, I suggest you check the links in the description below. There's a link that says make $1,000 per day. There's also another one that talks about starting your own online business. That also will help you earn $1,000 per day. But for both packages, you can actually scale to more than $1,000 per day, simply and easily. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you get through with applying for this job. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Until then, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more online awesomeness. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.